Good morning, peeps. Today is the first snowstorm of 2022, and there's a snowplow on my front yard. He is doing his work. Thank God he came earlier today. There's so much snow outside, and look how thick. I'm looking through my window. I'm not even outside, and yeah, thank God he came today. There you go. He's clearing the driveway. It's a total of 30 centimeter today here in Ottawa. When this finished, it's going to be a lot of snow. Well, we had 70 centimeters a few years back, but again, this is the first snowstorm of 2022. So schools are closed. Some establishments are closed as well. A few of my daycare kids did not come today. Yeah, so here you go. He's working hard. Thank God he's shoveling. And that will be gone by later as well, because look how thick the snow is. I'm gonna try to take these two kids out for a walk today and see how it goes. All right, stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye.